Joy kicked in a woman's door in the middle of the night, a pregnant woman's door, put a gun to her belly and say, "Where the money at?" So he couldn't do that to the white man when the white man was on it. Make the white man kill you, nigga. That's don't later. So nigga, I got a will to live, and I'm gonna fight to live. So when I seen that, I ain't had no compassion for him. Yeah. So then when I saw the whole video, I didn't like him after that. Bitch ass nigga should have went to jail. Nigga, he's sitting in the car, the man begging him to go to jail. And I'm saying, when did nigga stop wanting to go to jail? I thought the objective was not to talk to the police. White boy, take me to jail. I get to jail, call my woman, call whoever, or I lay it down. But I don't hold court in the street with the law. I already know I'm going to jail. But he trying to swallow the dope, big bad nigga. So this Jackson boy mad because I said F his brother. He played like he came looking for me. But nigga, ain't nobody in Texas came looking for me but that one nigga. And he found me. And it's easy to find me.
Why would he come looking for you?
He said he wanted to see me about this George Floyd sentiment. But he did not in Texas, and everybody know I carry a gun. The nigga who hit me in the barbershop, I got charged with 2 aggravated assault for chasing him with my gun. He didn't just hit me and walk to the car. You know what I mean? I went and got my gun, nigga.
Now, I'm laughing about the part that he like, listen, hey, everybody know I carry my gun wherever I go, and I understand why. I completely understand why. And when you say certain stuff like this, man, you know, you tap it into a whole nother thing when you do stuff like this, man. That's why I say I understand it. I would never tell anybody to follow this blueprint, but I think that, you know, what he does and how he does certain things, I think that if you do it, I'm not going to say it the right way, but if you know and you understand how to do it, but you don't cross certain lines, there is a way that you can go viral. There is a way that you can become an influencer quick with being a troll and being controversial or not, without having to overstep as much as he does.
Police charged me for catching me on camera running through that bitch looking, where you at, motherfucker? Everybody in the bathroom. Y'all done scared the people in the building looking for that nigga. That's the part they don't tell. So yeah, now, so now, nigga, he claimed he looking for me. Nigga, you ain't looking for me with Texas, and this is stand your ground state, and you 7 feet tall, and I'm weighing 122 at the time.
Good grief. Damn.
He say he looking for me, but he wasn't.
Say 122 is crazy,
my
bro.
comedy show posted every week.
Yeah.
Nigga, you can buy a ticket at the front row. Nigga jumped on stage with Dave Chappelle. Try it. So he was mad about that, homie. But what he really mad about is me and him got mutual friends. Guy by the name of Damon Wills. They freaked together. Damon Wills was married. Me and Damon Wills was working with Hype together. Hype Youth Outreach. He was a part of my organization. I was giving him an extension of my youth organization where I used to go to Port Arthur and work with the kids in the school at the high school Stephen Jackson.
What the hell did he just say?
Well, rather than Stephen Jackson helping him fund him, I think at the time he was wanting to break away from Hype and create a program that was called I Found Me, because he spent 22 years in prison for a murder he committed.
The guy that you're
Damon
talking about right now?
Our mutual friend, Damon Wills. Okay. So Damon
y'all
Wills,
got a mutual friend.
We got a mutual, they best buddies. So that's why he called Dewberry. He could have found me. Nigga, Dewberry didn't call me and said that nigga looking for me, because I would have made it possible to catch a free killer NBA player, nigga, in self-defense.
Damn.
In Texas,
Damn.
He came from another city, another state to confront me about what I said with every intent to harm me. Man, I would love to kill a black man with those intentions. I would love to make a nigga mama cry with those intentions. You gonna hurt me about what I done said, and you done said some things in life that hurt people. You done said something wrong to your woman, a neighbor, but you gonna hurt me for what I said? I'll kill you, nigga. So bring your bitch ass. So he talking like that, nigga. I keep weapons for black folks like him. So he done made all these threats, homie, but nigga, so Damon Wills is out after doing 22 years working with me. This is documented. We're going to.
Now, did I miss something? Y'all, did I miss something? I could have sworn and I'm not gonna put words in this man's mouth, but I could have sworn he said something that I'm not sure if I heard or not. Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I'm tripping. You know, I don't want to speculate or anything. We're gonna fall back and we're just gonna listen.
Youth organization. We're going to youth prisons. We're going to in Port Arthur. So rather than Stephen Jackson helping him fund this, He taking him away from his family. They fucking hoes, having threesome, recording it, and the man wife find it. So while he out,
the guy that just got out of prison.
Yeah, the guy just got out of prison. So while Damon Wills running with Steven Jackson as a crew, hanging with the rappers rather than working with the kids that we had going on, I'm on a thing saying fuck the gangs, fuck Nipsey Hussle. So they say, oh man, nut tripping, cuz. So now I'm tripping. Yeah. Cause we all in the same little clique, right? Yeah. So it's another nigga in the clique fucking Damon Wills' wife while he out partying. So he the one letting them know, man, look what Steven Jackson doing with your husband. So that's why these niggas mad at me. They don't just want to tell the truth, man. Why is this?
Oh, bro, I just got chills, man. Hold on, fam. Now, damn. Good grief, bro. Man, what? Hey. Well, y'all got to be careful, man. You got to be careful about the type of chicks that y'all rolling with. Because these mofos out here don't give a damn. They don't care, man. Just nasty. Ugh. Everybody just up there, man. You got the husband over here doing threesomes and you got the wife over here sleeping with somebody in the clip.
So I'm saying, nigga.
Nasty.
I ain't known for none of what y'all doing, nigga. I've been working with kids. I ain't known for fucking on these kids' mamas. Man, I ain't doing so, nigga. I hadn't even came to the internet then yet, homie. I ain't even came to the. So I'm saying, if this nigga really your homeboy, nigga, tell him open some doors for we really working with kids.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why these niggas, homie, yeah, they won't tell the whole story to him.
He got to grow up, man.
So that's why he's still talking,
up, bro.
nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Yeah. Ain't he in his 50s?
He older than me, I think. Nah, he might a few years younger than me. Man, nigga don't want, homie, don't none of these niggas want no problem, homie. That's why ain't nobody caught me yet. These niggas don't want to catch me. How I could have been caught?
I guess I don't know, man. I would think that
nigga,
to make that type of money,
it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing to go to jail for beating me up. I'm just a $500 bond. It's a $500 bond.
That's true.
It's a misdemeanor. But what they know is he got something he gonna use. Not on that, I'm going to jail because he gonna call the police. Once I realize that the most self-defense tool you can use on a black man, I'm gonna call the police, nigga. Watch how fast he go when you try to act like you go down 911. Because if he do anything after that, the white man have put a law in place that's called interfering with a 911 call. If you say, bitch, I don't give a damn about you calling 911, and she on the phone with 911 and 911 her, that's interfering because you're trying to intimidate her. Yeah. That's a felony offense, nigga. Just get 911 on the call and let him talk bad in the background.
Damn.
Just call 911 and let him talk bad in the background.
All right, listen. Hey, Charleston. All right, Charleston putting a lot of people up on game right now. Boy, that's crazy. This is insane, man. Snitches everywhere got their doggone pen and paper. Like, what you say? Word? Okay. Say less.
He'll get all kind of felonies. Stupid ass nigga. The only way to beat the white man is with his law. That's why he make laws every year that you can't keep up with. The only way to beat the white man in America is with his law. Don't you know a slave mailed himself in the mail and got out of slavery by mailing with the law? So, man, nigga, you dumb ass nigga can't come on here and argue with me and be talking about hurting me. You looking for me and you publicly saying this. The only reason I got charged with those 2 aggravated assaults because I once went against our police department when an officer got killed. That's what brought me and Tegan together. My best friend, or one of my best friend's sons by the name of Dacian Steptoe, killed a high-ranking Fort Worth police officer. Once I spoke about that on Cam Newton's podcast, that's when they put those charges on me. As soon as I came back from that podcast, that's because I pulled the scab off. But because they unjustly and wrongfully had killed that kid. They didn't bring him to trial. They executed him on the spot because nigga Garrett Hull was a bad motherfucker in the police department. Yeah. They executed that. So nigga, when I brought that up, homie, that nigga, when I got back, nigga, they had charges, felony charges on me. So they called that kicking the ball down the road. They knew I was gonna beat it. But nigga, they knew, man, nigga, I was attacked. And this guy was a killer. This was our Woody. This was our thug. Yeah. Everybody scared of this nigga, homie. I ain't scared of evil, nigga. Because I know what these niggas scared of. Yeah. Me and the law. And guess who the law? Me. Nigga, I work. Nigga, I helped the FBI create a new COINTELPRO just like they used nigga to kill Fred Hampton. I'm the nigga they can get to kill Fred Hampton again. Nigga better leave me alone. Nigga make me mad and I go work with the police against them, nigga. And I really love the police. I really love law enforcement because I think them the baddest motherfuckers walking on earth. Law enforcement. I see how everybody get right when they come around. I wish I could have been one. So now, nigga, I just join them in spirit.
What do you think?